The Temple of Philae lies in the south of Egypt. It is rich in hieroglyphic inscriptions and ancient monuments that are over 2,000 years old. One inscription on a gateway looks just like any other here. But there is something unique about this one. It is believed to be the last known inscription ever made using Egyptian hieroglyphs, meaning the person who carved it was likely the last person on Earth who could still read and write them. But who was he? Luckily, we know his name because he signed and dated the inscription. This is how we know it was the final one. No other known hieroglyphic inscriptions were written after this date. His name was Nesmetericem, a priest of the Philae temple. The goddess Isis, the sister wife of Osiris, was worshipped here. Other gods were also venerated, like the Nubian god Mandulus, due to the temple's close proximity to Nubia. This very inscription features this god. So what does the inscription actually say? The translation of the hieroglyphic text is as follows. Before Mandulus, son of Horus, by the hand of Nesmetericem, son of Nesmeta, the second priest of Isis, for all time and eternity. Words spoken by Mandulus, lord of the Abaton, great god. The translation of the Demotic writing beneath it is, I, Nesmetericem, the scribe of the house of writings of Isis, son of Nesmetapaneket, the second priest of Isis, and his mother Eshoret, I performed work on this figure of Mandulus for all time, because he is fair of face towards me. Today, the birthday of Osiris, his dedication feast, year 110. Most Egyptian temples were closed or converted in the 4th century AD due to Christianization under Roman emperors. However, the Temple of Philae, lying just beyond the southern border of the Roman province of Aegyptus, survived as a final stronghold. It continued for another 150 years before finally being closed by order of Emperor Justinian I around 535 AD. So, Nesmetericem was the last known person who could read and write the ancient hieroglyphs. The script fell silent for nearly 1,400 years, until Napoleon's soldiers discovered the Rosetta Stone, which eventually led to the decipherment of hieroglyphs in 1822. An interesting fact about the Philae temple. The temple we see today is located on the island of Agilkia. Its original location was Philae Island, which was submerged after the construction of the Aswan Dam. The entire temple complex was carefully cut into blocks, dismantled, and reconstructed on the higher ground of nearby Agilkia Island. The process completed in 1980.